Hi, hello and namaskaram. So in this video recipe I'll be showing you how to make a Kothu Roti. Kothu Roti, Kothu Porotta, it's like a street food. It's originated from we can say Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka and over Kerala. You can trace this in all three states or three okay, Sri Lanka is a different country. You can trace there, and even Karnataka you can find this dish. But now it's famous all over. I think most of the South Indian restaurants serve this. It's one of my favorite. Even in my childhood, I used to eat this. I love it. It's a one wholesome meal. It's a one pan dish. It's made in a flat iron griddle where the chef or the cook just bang it like this, and this is the sound it makes, like tak tak kind of stuff. And this motion is called kuttu, you just piercing it or you just breaking it. So this is why the name came. And the parota, it's Kerala parota, it's famously called, and it's in Ceylon parota also they call the coin parotas. So I just chopped it up, and then it's all cooked along with onion, tomato masala, some garam masala, and there is egg in it. You can use any leftover curry or chicken, beef or lamb, you can put it in. It's an amazing combination. I can't express my words, but it's one of my favorite. So try this recipe, cook along with me, and then let me know your feedback. Some clarified butter. Throw in some ginger, green chilli, curly, and onion. Mix it. Turmeric. Now coriander, 1 teaspoon. Chilli powder. Seasoning powder. You can use tomato. The curry or gravy you can put in this time. 2 eggs. If you want to increase more, slowly move. So the scrambled pieces will be slightly bigger. Salt, some water, pepper powder that gives more flavor to it. Paratha that is being chopped up. Mix and try to crush it. Touch of garam masala. Coriander, then some ghee for finishing it off. Place on the center. Nice colorful Kothu Porotta or Kothu Roti, what you call, with egg. Like I said, you can put chicken, beef, lamb, even you can try with seafood. Coriander. You enjoyed cooking along with me the amazing Kothu Roti or Kothu Porotta. Amazing, I love it. The water taste, beautiful. It's soft, moist. The egg, the gravy comes along, and if you have some pieces of chicken or lamb or meat, that enhances the whole thing. So try it at home. Let me know your feedback. Subscribe to us and click the bell icon. Share this video to others. It's so simple and easy to make dish. Thank you.